Okay, hey guys. I'm filming with my iPhone because my laptop does not work anymore, which I'm really sad, but this will just have to suffice. Today I am actually going to show you guys, like, it's kind of like an unboxing. I haven't opened all of the products yet, so it's kind of like a first impression as well. This is going to be the LipMonthly May bag. So what this is this is a monthly subscription bag that you can get that is just all lip products. So if you have been a follower of mine for a long time, then you know that I've always been really obsessed with lip products, lipsticks, lip glosses, lip balms, lip stains, anything having to do with the lips. I know I've kind of fallen off of like the makeup train for a while, but I've just been really busy with my career and being a mom and all that stuff. But I do plan on posting more videos, so you can look forward to that. This is, as you can see, I've already opened this bag, but I haven't opened every single product on the inside yet. I think I've really actually opened one, but I will show you guys them. I'll show you swatches and all that fun stuff. So this is just a monthly bag, like I've said, and it's really cool because you get 4 to 5 lip products that are tailored to you. And when you open it, first of all, it's pink, which is super adorable, so you are gonna know what it is. You're gonna know what to expect when you get it in the mail. And then also I do want to say that I am working with them to create this video. So they did send me the products, and then this is what comes in the bag. So I'm not sure, this is the May bag. This is the first bag that I've gotten, so I'm not sure if the bags are always like this, like the cosmetic bags on the inside. I'm sure they're different every month, but this is how this one looks. So of course it zips and unzips at the top. The first one that it comes with is the Isabelle DuPont matte lipstick. I've never tried this brand, but I'm actually really excited because I love matte lips, everything lipsticks really, so I'm excited for that. Also, I'm probably, this video is probably gonna be all over the place. I'm not gonna be able to edit it like I normally would because of course my laptop's broken, so please bear with me. This one here is the Larizzi Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and I will go ahead and pull these out and show them to you individually as well after I show you everything. This one here is the Lord & Berry Magic Brow. It's number 1706 Brunette, and I actually did try this on my brows, so I will show that to you guys in a second. And then this one here is the Manna Beauty Simplified Lip Locked Priming Lipstick. It says step 3 on it, so I'm assuming there are like 2 other lip products by this brand that you use before. So I will go ahead and show you this. Also, with their website, you can earn beauty points for referring friends and reviewing your products, and then you can redeem those points for free products, which is really cool because who doesn't love free stuff? The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this matte lipstick, which is by Isabelle DuPont, which I've never heard of before, so I love finding new brands. I guess I couldn't think of the word. But this is how it looks. I haven't opened this yet, but it has a sticker on it. It's a red. Oh, I really wish I could edit my videos so I can show it to you guys. There we go. So this is this is how it looks. Very beautiful red. I'm not gonna put this on my lips because it's a red and it's pretty dark, and I'm not going to be able to put it on very well. And I'm going to show you another lip swatch, if that makes sense. So this is a really pretty red. On my hand, it doesn't really look matte. It looks more like a cream, which is totally fine. It just says it's a matte lipstick, but I mean, I'm not really too picky about things like that. If it's a pretty color, if it looks good on me, then I really am not too picky about it. Especially if you're ordering something online, you can't really expect it to be exactly how you imagine it. Even if it does look like how it does online, it might not always look how you expect it to look on you. But I really do like this color. I'm a big fan of red lips, especially lately. So I really do like this one. It's kind of like a, it's not, yeah, it's kind of like a creamy finish to me. But of course you could blot your lips and make it a matte. Next one is the, I'm going to show you guys the lipstick in here. I have not opened these. I don't like the sound that just made. Ugh, with my nails scratching on it. This one is the priming lipstick, which I'm actually really excited about because I love this packaging. I love how it's like a square like this. It's very sleek and skinny. The bottom, you can see the color in it. I'm sure you could pop it out. Yep, normally you can pop these out and use the leftover product in there when you run out of the tube. So this is the Mana Lip Lock Priming Lipstick. And it looks like this. Sorry if the camera's not picking it up very well. This is how, oh my gosh, I love this already. This is how it looks. It is gorgeous. I love this nude pink. And this is also like a cream finish. I don't know if you can see the shine in that, but that's just beautiful. I love that. I'll probably put that one on in a second. The next thing I'm going to show you is the Laritzi Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I'm super excited about this one because I love liquid lipsticks. Okay, this is how it looks. I've never heard of any of these brands except for the Lord & Berry one, but this one here looks amazing. So this is how it looks. Looks like this. Let's swatch. Oh, yes. That is really pretty. This is like the color that I always go for. This is like my everyday shade right here, like this dark mauve nude. Like it's just, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to put that on. I'm so excited. And then the last but not least, and I did bring a little mirror for this, is the, sorry, I'm looking in my mirror. I have a little mirror behind my phone to make sure I'm getting my face in the camera. This is the Lord & Berry Brunette Magic Brow. So my brows, as you can see, are a very cool shade. They're almost like a grayish black. That's how I like them. I don't like warm brows. So looking at this initially, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like two tones in it. So it has like a cooler tone, which is darker, and then it has a warmer tone, which is a lighter brown. So I'll just show you guys how this looks. I really hope my camera can pick this up, okay? So you'll be able to see my brows darkening up a bit here. So I'm just using a light hand to fill in my brows because I mean, obviously I don't want my brows to be too dark. So I just kind of filled it in a tiny bit. I don't even know if you can see a difference, but I'll definitely swatch it on my hand as well. Now I'm applying this on top of product that I already applied this morning. So it's not going to be like super true to color, I guess, because I already have product on my brows. But when I apply this by itself, Riley's recording a video too. It's so funny. When you apply it by itself, it's kind of like a warm brown, which the product is wonderful. The product is amazing. I do love this product. I'm just not the biggest fan of the shade. I'm sure this brand has a darker color and I'm sure it's like more of a black, I would go with that one just because me personally, I like my brows to be really dark, which is ironic because my hair is very light. Realistically, my brows probably should be this shade, but that's how it is. I just personally like my brows darker, but it is a really good product and I do recommend using it. I did apply it the other day. Like I said, that's the only one I have tried out of this bag, and I put it on first before anything else, and it was just a little too warm. Riley, can you please turn that down a tiny bit, baby? Turn it down a tiny bit, please. And but applying it on top, either way, it still has a beautiful finish. It really defines the brows. I just like pencils more than powders because I feel like it really defines, it's more defining. Anyway, I'm gonna try on this lipstick really quickly. It says step 3, but honestly, maybe it just means that you need to put on a primer and then a lip liner. I don't know, but I want to try this on. Woo! I'm not going to get too fancy because I don't have a lip liner, but that's that one. I feel like it might be a little too pink just for my skin tone, but it's still really pretty. Actually, it's not too bad. But anyway, yeah, so if you guys are interested in trying this bag, I don't know the exact price, but I will put it in my description box because I can't remember what it is and I'm using my phone to film. But you do get, I believe, 25% off your first bag. Now, I don't know if that's a permanent thing or if it's just for a limited time, but definitely check it out, especially if you do love lip products and if you want to save some money. I'll put all the links down below. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.